Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Beauty and Beyond. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. And welcome to the Fall Self-Care Reset Series, Part 2. In today's series, we're going to be covering feminine hygiene and all the tips that you need to know. So ladies, buckle up. I'm sure this is nothing new. This is just our fall reset series. And we're sharing tips and hacks that will help you to be fresh and clean all season long. Now, without further ado, like I said, we're going to be talking feminine hygiene. We're going to be discussing gentle cleansers, pH balance washes, and how to avoid harsh soaps that can throw off our flora. Also, the importance of cotton underwears to help us avoid irritation, and how it's very important that we're rotating our pairs and letting them air dry. And finally, we're going to also be considering supplements like probiotics and vitamin D to keep our bodies balanced. Because with these simple swaps, they will definitely help us to feel fresh, confident, and ready for the sweater weather. So again, I want to thank you all for tuning in for part 2 of the Fall Self-Care Reset Series. If you did not remember to blow dry on the like button for me on your way coming in, please don't forget to do that on your way heading out. Now let's hop right in to today's series, shall we? All right, so I hope everybody feels welcome. I hope you grabbed yourselves some snacks and a beverage. And I welcome you and thank you for joining me as we put this feminine hygiene series out here on today. So again, we're testing the fall feminine hygiene hacks, tips, and tricks to really help us with feeling more fresh and more confident all season long. Because as we transition into fall, our bodies definitely face a new set of challenges. You see, the cooler weather can bring about dryness and irritation, especially in sensitive areas. So using the right products can definitely make all the difference. And for many women, the products that they use for feminine hygiene can either help alleviate these issues or exacerbate them. Fall is a time when our skin tends to get drier, and this can be especially true for most sensitive areas. When we use products that are too harsh, they can strip away our natural oils and cause irritation. Trust me, it's a vicious cycle, and the more that we use harsh products, the more our skin reacts, and the more we feel like we need to use them to clean ourselves. Many of us are guilty of using products that are too harsh for our delicate skin. Now, we might think they're cleaning us better, but in all actuality, they're often doing more harm than good. And the result can be redness, itching, and a general feeling of discomfort that can really be frustrating. Now, the good news is that there are products out there designed to help, such as gentle pH balance washes, which are going to be more specifically formulated to clean without causing irritation. And trust me, these are game changer for women who struggle with dryness or sensitivity. Now, what makes a gentle pH balance wash so effective? Well, for starters, they typically have a pH level that's close to the natural pH of our skin, which helps to prevent irritation. They also tend to have soothing ingredients like aloe vera or chamomile that help to calm and comfort. And some of these washes also contain prebiotics or probiotics, which can also help to support the natural balance of bacteria in your vagina. Now, this can be especially important during the fall when our immune systems might be a bit more compromised. I've come across some pretty compelling statistics about the effectiveness of gentle pH balance washes. Did you know that many women who switch to these types of products report a significant reduction in irritation and discomfort. One study found that women who use a gentle pH balance wash experience a 70% reduction in vaginal irritation over a 6-week period. That's pretty impressive, and it's a testament to the power of using the right products. Now, in addition to these benefits, many women who use gentle pH balance washes report feeling more confident and comfortable in their own skin. They're able to go about their daily lives without worrying about embarrassing leaks or odors. Now, to wrap things up, using a gentle pH balance wash can make a huge difference in how we feel during the fall. By choosing the right products that are designed to be gentle and non-irritating, we can help prevent dryness and discomfort. Now, if you've had any experiences with gentle pH balance washes, I would love to hear about them in the comments. Also, if you're looking for more tips on feminine hygiene, be sure to check out part 1 of the Fall Self-Care Reset series. Again, we are resetting our self-care for the fall. Next up, we're going to talk about the importance of cotton underwear. So stick around, you don't want to miss it. Cotton underwear. When it comes to underwear, we've all been there. Uncomfortable, irritated, and just plain miserable. I used to think that it was just a fact of life, but then I discovered breathable cotton undies. Trust me, grandmas used to always tell us, but they have these cute, prissy, prancy, sexy, even romantic underwear, which is cool for every now and again. But on a regular, trust me, the granny panties for the win, every time. The idea here is simple. By using natural fibers that let your skin breathe, you can say goodbye to the irritation and hello to comfort. So again, in part 2 of the Fall Self-Care Reset series, we're discussing tips on feminine hygiene. Irritation and discomfort from underwear can be a real pain, literally. Imagine being stuck with a wedgie all day, or dealing with chafing that just won't quit. For some people, it's a minor annoyance, but for others, it can be a major quality of life issue. Trust me, you don't want to do it. There are no fun times. Whether you're running errands, working out, or just lounging around, the last thing you want is to be distracted by your underwear. And then there's the sweat. So, lastly, as we close out the part 2 Fall Self-Care Reset series, Feminine Hygiene Tips, we are going to end on snacks and how making healthier options can still help you to be cozy during the sweater weather, but also not affect your feminine hygiene in negative ways. Now, as the weather gets cooler, I'm all about embracing the sweater weather vibe. That means prioritizing comfort and warmth, but I also want to make sure that I'm taking care of my health. So, again, this is why I'm excited to share some health swaps that can help you to do just that. We know cooler weather can be a tough time for maintaining healthy habits. For one, the cravings for comfort food can be real. I mean, who doesn't love warm, gooey bowls of mac and cheese or gumbo or stew and just all that heavier food on a chilly fall day? And then there's the motivation factor. It can be hard to get moving when all you want to do